Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're new here, hi, I am Onibokun Adefeikemi, aka Difeyi, and I'm so excited that you can be watching me today. Please do well as to find your way to the subscribe button below and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when a new video drops, okay? Now in today's video, I am going to be following Dimma Umeh's makeup tutorial. This particular look that I have here was done through that process. Like I did not do my makeup the normal way that I used to, so this particular look I did following her makeup process, which was very insightful. And the makeup tutorial that I'm going to be watching and following is the one she posted, titled Soft Glam Makeup for Black or Brown Skin, perfect for every occasion, get ready. So if you're so excited to see how I achieved this look following her makeup routine, please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing she did was to define her brows, which I'm going to be doing. I do not have the ABH brow pencil that she used here, so I am going to be using so I'm going to be using my Davies brow pencil. Like, you guys see the length of this brow pencil, that's how much I've been using it. Yeah. So the next thing she did was to use a brow powder. So I do not have the brow powder that she used on her brows, so I'm going to be using this Zaron Cosmetics eyebrow definer that I got. It's been years, I think I got it 2 years ago, and I haven't been using it in a long time, but because of this video I had to dig it up. So obviously, like you guys can see the colors, I already used the brown, so I'm going to be using, I'll just mix the black, filling the brows. Okay, I think I'm liking these brows. Okay, like it gives me this, like this brow powder that I use kind of gave me a natural finish on my brows.
I'm going to prime my eyes now just to make sure that there's no creasing. I feel like, you know, when you do the like regular crease color.
She also said that if you do not have a peel with base, you can go in with the concealer that you use to blend, like you use to define your brows, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. Because like, yeah, who doesn't want to learn a little bit of it?
And I'm going to just blend that into this area. If you
have to like go all over like the top of our brows, like this crease, with the concealer you use, it kind of blends everything out, you know. It kind of makes it look even, like your brow bone and your primer. I see you, Dimma. I see you.
Really key for anybody anywhere, okay,
right,
is to set your concealer. If you're using concealer to do
okay,
all of this on your lid space, make sure you set it, because not apply powder over it.
I'm setting it. Okay guys, so the first shade she is using is Arouse in Huda Beauty, and I do not have that, so which is why I'm going to be using my own shade in Macari, the Macari palette. I think they have it, is this. So she used this as her transition color, which I'm going to be doing now too. You know, she just blended it like all over. She built it, you know, she kept on applying and applying.
Shade here, it's called Naughty.
Okay, so she went in with, if that shade is called Naughty.
I'm looking at,
and I'll be going in with my own. Here it's called Agate. I think it's called Agate. She went in with
this effect to be very light and,
you know, dusted it below her lash line.
So going back in with around.
She went back in with around.
Just over that.
I feel you, sis.
This is pretty much it for this eyeshadow look.
Okay guys, so I think I'm seeing the look that she's trying to achieve. So she wanted a pretty soft glam look, and I think this is it. So next she went in to set her brow bone with setting powder, which I'm going to be doing here using the same brush obviously that I used to set my crease.
You can even use like your setting powder, your translucent setting powder.
Okay, so she went back in with Naughty.
This time around I'm just packing that color into this area. This is just to add some depth because like I told you guys, I don't have a deep set crease.
Okay, so you guys, I'm loving this eyeshadow look. So she's going in with eyeliner. So me, I'm going to be using my classic liquid eyeliner pen. So she is creating a bold wing, and we're gonna do the same. I mean, why not? Yeah. Okay, so this is definitely my own version of, you know, bold eyeliner. I don't really like dramatic eyeliners, so this is something that I've not tried before, but you know, she has to try new things. Okay, then she used the mascara. Okay, so she used eyelashes next, but I always fix my eyelashes at the end of my makeup because I think it's better for me, you know, to finish everything before I start battling with lashes.
This will be good for overall blending.
So she used primer first next, but I'm so used to using moisturizer then primer on my face, so I am going to be doing just that. We're gonna stay hydrated, baby. We're gonna stay hydrated. So next I'm going to be going in with my classic mattifying face primer. So I only use it on my T-zone, places that I sweat a lot. I do not use it all over my face. Then on my forehead. She went in with her foundation, like I'm saying here. And for me, the foundation I'm going to be using is my classic Pro Ultra Wear foundation. Like, you guys already know about this foundation. Like, I reviewed it in my previous videos. Like, if you haven't watched it, click here. I'm sure it's pop up here.
Guys, look at, like, there's this like little scar burn mark thing I have. It's just already disappeared. Like, I didn't even do much and it's gone.
Like, it's the way my face just instantly glows whenever I use this foundation. Like, it's time to highlight. It's the way she blends, she applies her concealer for me. Like, I wonder how this is going to blend out. But we move. What does she blend first? Okay. Hey. We are contouring now anyway, so next she went in with another shade of concealer, like a lighter one, a lighter shade of concealer. So I actually love this method.
Guys, this beauty blender that I just used, I think that it is by far my favorite beauty blender ever. Like, it just blended everything out.
Perfect. Next she went in with translucent powder immediately. So I do not have a translucent powder. My setting powder is from Benign and is in shade Banana, but it's not exactly white translucent powder, which is why I'm not going to go straight in with my translucent powder. Like, I'm going to just set my face first. I'm going to be using the shade Medium first to set my brows. So the key is to just like press it in, like you. I have learned that pressing in your powder kind of like, you know, makes it sit in well, which I love. Like, I love this whole process. Next, I'm going to go in with my baking powder from Benign and yeah, use it to set the face. Next, she sets her contour with bronzer, obviously. And she went in with a darker shade of setting powder. I'm using mine in Black Opal to define the contour. So next, she's oh, okay, she's doing her under eye, her waterline with, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to be using my pen liner to line my eyes. Then
this bright pink hair called Filthy.
Okay,
some
so she took
mascara
a
on
bright
my
pink
bottom lashes
to blend under the eyes. Which I'm going to be picking this pink diamond and I'm going to apply same. So I think I have, you know, I've tried to work with the pink. So let's see what she did next.
Mascara on my bottom lashes. This is Ingot Lash Enhancer. So blush time. This is Max Blush in Raisin. So from ABH, this is their blush trio. I'm using this brightest one here. I think it's called Desert. So
Period. See, my face is blushing. I think I'm okay with this blush. I'm going to highlighter next. But I am loving the way my face is looking like now. Hey, look at. Oh my god. I can see my face is blushing for me. So guys, next she went in with brow pencil.
sweet, okay?
And next she went in with a gloss, a lip stain. I'm going to be going in with this first. Then she went in with a clear gloss.
Over that, I'm going to use a clear gloss.
Oh my god, like, you guys, I am so in love with this look. I'm so in love with this look. It's just a pity I'm not going out. Like, I would have rocked this look. Hey guys, so I am so glad that I did this look because I totally love this look. Like, I love it so much. Like, look, Dimma Umeh is an all-time beauty guru, like no cap, because and I'm so glad that I ended up like doing this tutorial, or like I learned from her. Although I would say that we practically have the same way, like we do our makeup almost the same way. There are just some tips and tricks here and there that she does differently, and which I really appreciate. Like I just appreciate her, to be honest, which is why I'm so glad that I did this look again, like I said. So let me know if you love this look as much as I do. I'm definitely going to rock this look out. Like this is definitely going to be one of my favorite all-time go-to eyeshadow looks that I'm going to be doing, not just eyeshadow but like makeup look in general. So I really love this look. And also please share, okay, share to your friends, please. Help my ministry now. Abi, you don't want us to go? And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more makeup tutorials from popular beauty gurus on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section below, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.